Okay, my right elbow's not healed up yet. Too many saws started in the last too long. We got my 661 clown saw kit. So when we assemble a kit and we call it a clown saw, which is affectionately clone, and we don't say it's a still because it's not, then it's not a counterfeit because we're not passing it off as a counterfeit.
It's a Pro Mag.
It's a Pro Mag or Pro Mag kit. But we got some fuel in there. We're going to try it. We put another coil. The first coil ran for about a minute and it started acting up. So we bought some good old coils off of the Amazon and we're going to see if we got lucky because we like to gamble like that. But we also got connections to coil factories. I got a coil factory, new coil factory, been in business since 2002. They said they'll make me anything I want.
There we go.
Best quality that possible. We'll put gold and platinum in the damn thing if we need to.
That's right.
We'll put diamond line insulation.
That's right. Anything.
Anything they want that we want to do.
Titanium.
I mean, whatever we need to do. Well, you're going to go with the floor start, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. What you think?
Yeah, this carburetor's kind of finicky.
Finicky carburetor, huh?
A little finicky.
A little sensitive and finicky, huh?
A little finicky.
I'll be darned. Well, we'll figure it out. We'll see if it runs.
Yeah.
I'll put a bar and chain on it. Put it in some wood.
It didn't start acting up.
No, if the coil lasted longer than the last one.
Yep.
Not running perfect yet?
Yeah, it's going.
I got another carb ordered to be here in the next day or two. Just in case.
Yeah, it's not one to clean out.
What problem could that be? Carburetor?
Gotta be.
Okay. We'll figure it out. We'll know where we are when we get there. Got a little pile of those coils. The one we put in there was, we put a Zonga something or other, right?
Yeah.
One of these is going to be a Zonga something or other, I think. Or let's see. Shoot. There it is. Whatever that is. Right there. Whatever that says. That's what we put in there. Like, subscribe, share, thumbs up. Take care. Stay tuned for the project on these saws. These 661 clown saws. Parts kits.